on, guys? So we are back in the Mach 1, and today I'm just going to be explaining why 410 gears are literally the best first mod for your new Edge. Now guys, if you have a 99 to 04 GT, then your rear end comes stock with 327 gears, and if you have an 03 to 04 Mach 1, then you come stock with 355 gears in the rear end. So jumping from 355 or 327 up to 410 is kind of a big leap, but trust me, it is 100% worth it, and this should have been my first mod. And I know that everyone says that 410 gears are not dailyable, but this is cruising at 70, and we're at like 2,400 RPM, which is not that bad. Now obviously, if you're gonna go up to like 80 miles an hour or so, then you're gonna be closer to 3 grand, but just cruising around at 70, it's not even that high of an RPM. Now obviously guys, increasing your rear end ratio is going to mean that you're going to be spending more time at the gas pump, as we are going to be doing today. That's the only time that I don't recommend you getting 410 gears or 456 gears are if you're driving hours every single day. If you're driving 2 to 3 hours a day, then obviously getting 410 gears is not logical, and you should just get 373s or 355s accordingly. Now guys, if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe. I'm going to be posting a lot more frequently now. I did actually go and run at the drag strip in the quarter mile last Friday. The clips weren't the best, so I actually decided not to make a video of them that night. But I did an NA run and a 100 shot of nitrous run. So I'm going to post up those 2 videos now at the end of this video, just because I didn't feel like they were good enough to make a separate video on. So yeah guys, with that, see ya.